Hey, Bruce Naylor here, your boomer consumer, and we're looking at the Sudio Klar over-ear headphones. Now, it's a disclaimer, these were sent to me at no cost by Sudio. However, all opinions are my own, and no one has reviewed this video prior to posting. Now, if you'd like to grab a pair for yourself, I have a special 15% off discount code at sudio.com. The link for that is down below. And then if you want them in the black color, I have my Amazon affiliate link as well. So I wasn't really familiar with the Sudio brand, but I got a chance to look over their website and their gear, and they do make very aesthetically pleasing gear. And what I have seen and read has been very, very good with these earphones. And so just go over the specs real basically. These are an over-ear headphone. They come with a built-in microphone. They work with Bluetooth 4.1. They have active noise cancellation, quick charge, like 10 minutes, full charge in 120 minutes, nice 580 milliamp hour battery, built-in microphone. They weigh about 8 ounces. And the list price is $149.99. That's the list price, but use a coupon code so then you can get them at a better price. The black ones, I think, are around 110 bucks right now on Amazon. So I like the packaging already. It looks very, very professionally done. Wireless active noise canceling on the front. Nothing but the Klar logo on the back. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Looking on the back side, wireless headphones compatible with all Bluetooth devices as iOS, Android. As long as it has Bluetooth, you can also use the wired connection if you want with other devices. Padded and adjustable headband, active noise canceling, 24-hour battery life. 30 hours according to Klar for listening to music, 20 if you've got the active noise canceling turned on. World-class quality sound, collapsible designs, they fold up, 3-button remote and mic, and that's pretty much all you have on the back of the box. So let's go ahead and get rid of the shrink wrap on here. There we go. All right. Shrink wrap is off, right? And then we have a little tape up here. And on the other side as well. Got rid of the tape. We just pull this out. And there we go. Those are stunning looking headphones. Wow. Pull these out. And they're in a cardboard holder here. Looks like we have a little bit of wire to undo here. Kind of hold them in place. Get that loose. And we'll do the other side. These twist ties. I've seen that before unboxing headphones. But okay. All right, set those off to the side. And then we got a box within a box. There we go. It's actually glued to the inside of the box. They don't want that to get around. Let's see what we got in here. All right, we got a 3.5 millimeter cable. And then we should have, there we are, your charging cable right here. And then there's some paperwork also in here. Open this up. Yeah. Just your owner's manual. There you go. What's old Flossie Carter say? Pluck it and file it. I kind of go along with his philosophy on that. Then we have a guarantee certificate. And let's see here. Subject to quality control, high quality, protected against manufacturing defects for 1 year from the date of purchase. Okay. And the quick start guide. And that's what you get in the box. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to actually hook these up to my iPad, play a little bit of music, tell you what I think about them. But so we will be back. Okay, I'm back. I've had an opportunity to hook this up to my iPad and listen to some music, listen to the active noise cancellation on these. So I want to give you some thoughts on these earphones. Before I do, I just want to cover some of the features on the phones themselves. And on your left ear cup, this is where you're going to plug your 3.5 millimeter cable into, so you could have wired audio on here. All the action is really on the right ear cup. Starting at the top, we have a USB charging port on here. The top button activates your noise cancellation. The next button is for volume down and rewind. This middle button here, and that's going to be one you need to get familiar with. You can use it to turn on and off the earphones, use it for pairing, using it to play and pause your music, take a phone call, etc. So this is a major button on here. The bottom button on here, volume up and also fast forward on here. And then you have a blinking light here that lets you know whether you're got it on, off, etc. So those are the controls on the earphones. So I have this paired to my iPad Pro, and I'm listening to some music on Audio Library, which is free music for content creators, royalty free, and it is fantastic sounding audio. A lot of detail in the mids and the highs, and the bass is outstanding. That's very hard for you to actually hear what these sound like. They sound fantastic. Of course, on the left ear cup, you have a little gold piece of metal here that says Sudio left, L for left ear cup, and the same thing on the right side. So what do I like about these? First off, I love the design. I love the gold wire on here. I think they are stunning earphones. They sound really, really good. The active noise cancellation is some of the best I've experienced so far in headphones with active noise cancellation. So I'm very, very impressed with that. They're extremely comfortable, nice material on the ear cups. The headband, nice and thick on here. So you have that. They do fold for storage, and the build quality, all in all, I think is pretty doggone good on these. These are a more premium feeling headphone. Let's talk a little bit about the cons of these headphones. First, it did come with a little bit of kind of a reddish discoloration on the left ear cup. Not sure what's going on there, whether it's something in shipping, I don't know. The second con, and I think this is important, I believe for its price, it should come with a travel case, and it does not. Also, the ear cups don't rotate, which is something I would like to see on there. Other than that, I think if you're looking for a really, really nice headphone that holds its own very much against more higher priced headphones, I don't think you're going to go wrong with the Sudios. That's it. Bruce Naylor, your Boomer Consumer. Look forward to your comments down below. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.